Cucumbers are versatile vegetables that add a refreshing crunch to any dish. They are not only low in calories but also high in nutrients, making them a great choice for incorporating into your meals. We will explore 10 creative and delicious recipes that showcase the versatility of cucumbers. From appetizers to main courses and even desserts, these recipes will inspire you to get creative with this humble vegetable. Cucumber and feta salad. Cucumber and feta salad, a refreshing Mediterranean delight. Cucumber and feta salad is a classic dish that brings together the crispness of cucumbers and the tanginess of feta cheese. Originating from the Mediterranean region, this salad offers a refreshing combination of flavors and textures. It is a perfect side dish for grilled meats, a light lunch option, or a refreshing addition to any summer spread. In this video, we will explore the deliciousness of cucumber and feta salad, including its key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different taste preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and feta salad. A cucumber and feta salad is all about simplicity and balance. The cool and crisp cucumbers provide a refreshing base, while the creamy and tangy feta cheese adds a delightful contrast. Combined with a simple dressing and a medley of fresh vegetables and herbs, this salad becomes a vibrant and satisfying dish that celebrates the flavors of the Mediterranean. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and feta salad. To prepare a delicious cucumber and feta salad, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers. Choose firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. You can peel them or leave the skin on, depending on your preference. Feta cheese. Look for high-quality feta cheese, preferably made from sheep's milk or a combination of sheep's and goat's milk. The tangy and salty flavor of feta complements the cucumbers perfectly. Cherry tomatoes. Use ripe and colorful cherry tomatoes for added sweetness and a burst of flavor. You can halve or quarter them, depending on their size. Red onion. Thinly sliced red onion adds a mild sharpness and a pop of color to the salad. Soak the sliced onions in cold water for a few minutes to reduce their pungency if desired. Kalamata olives. These Greek olives are briny and rich in flavor, adding a savory element to the salad. Pit and halve the olives before adding them to the salad. Fresh herbs. A combination of fresh herbs like parsley, dill, or mint adds a vibrant aroma and freshness to the salad. You can use one herb or a mixture, depending on your taste preference. Olive oil. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is essential for dressing the salad and enhancing its flavors. Lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds acidity and brightens the salad. Adjust the amount based on your taste. Salt and pepper. Season the salad with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of preparing cucumber and feta salad. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and dry the cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and fresh herbs. Peel the cucumbers if desired, and slice them into thin rounds or half-moons. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half or quarters. Thinly slice the red onion. Crumble the feta cheese into bite-sized pieces. Chop the fresh herbs. Step 2. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the sliced cucumbers, half cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, crumbled feta cheese, and Kalamata olives. Sprinkle the chopped fresh herbs over the ingredients. Step 3. Prepare the dressing. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and lemon juice until well combined. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste. Step 4. Dress the salad. Pour the dressing over the cucumber. Cucumber and dill yogurt dip. Cucumber and dill yogurt dip, a cool and creamy delight. Introduction. Cucumber and dill yogurt dip is a refreshing and versatile dip that is perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply as a healthy snack. The combination of cool cucumbers, tangy yogurt, and fragrant dill creates a dip that is creamy, light, and bursting with flavor. This dip is not only delicious but also a great way to incorporate the freshness of cucumbers into your meals. We will explore the delightful qualities of cucumber and dill yogurt dip, including its key ingredients, preparation steps, and serving suggestions. 1. The essence of cucumber and dill yogurt dip. Cucumber and dill yogurt dip is all about balance and simplicity. The cool and crunchy cucumbers bring a refreshing element to the dip, while the creamy yogurt provides a smooth and tangy base. The addition of fresh dill adds a burst of herbaceous flavor and complements the other ingredients perfectly. This dip is not only delicious but also offers a refreshing contrast to spicier or richer dishes. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and dill yogurt dip. To make a flavorful cucumber and dill yogurt dip, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers. Choose firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. Peel and grate the cucumbers, or finely dice them, depending on your preference. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy, making it an ideal base for this dip. Opt for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt for the best results. If desired, you can also use a combination of Greek yogurt and sour cream for added richness. Fresh dill. Fresh dill adds a delightful herbaceous flavor to the dip. Chop the dill finely to evenly distribute its flavors throughout the dip. Garlic. A clove or two of garlic, minced or grated, adds a pungent and savory kick to the dip. Adjust the amount based on your taste preference. Lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a tangy and bright flavor to the dip. Adjust the amount based on your taste preference. Salt and pepper. Season the dip with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning as needed. 3. Preparation steps. Let's now walk through the step-by-step process of making cucumber and dill yogurt dip. Step 1. Prepare the cucumbers. Wash and dry the cucumbers. Depending on your preference, peel and grate them or finely dice them. If using larger cucumbers, remove the seeds to avoid excess moisture in the dip. Step 2. Combine the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine the grated or diced cucumbers, Greek yogurt, minced or grated garlic, chopped fresh dill, and lemon juice. Stir the ingredients together until well combined and evenly distributed. Season the dip with salt and pepper to taste. Start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Step 3. Refrigerate and let the flavors meld. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or transfer the dip to an airtight container. Refrigerate the dip for at least 1 to 2 hours, or overnight, to allow the flavors to meld together. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Before serving, give the dip a quick stir to recombine any separated liquids. Serve the cucumber and dill yogurt dip with an array of dippers, such as pita bread, fresh vegetables like carrot sticks and celery, or crispy pita chips. 4. Serving suggestions and variations.